At Florida Mid-South Realty, we bring family values, professional service, and local expertise to every real estate experience. With small town feel and a personal touch, we're here to help you find the right home or sell with ease. And don't miss the Florida Rockstars, our live podcast every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Florida Rockstars, rocking real estate news and all things local. Florida Mid-South Realty, your trusted hometown team.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
We've had partly cloudy skies across the Tennessee Valley on this Tuesday, and clouds are increasing from the west as our showers out west try to move closer to the area, but they are breaking up in coverage as they do. So I'm thinking, honestly, this doesn't even sweep in here. Just a few passing showers, maybe a rumble of thunder during the overnight, but the more widespread rain not able to push into the area. Not looking at big rain chances tonight. 75 degrees in Lawrenceburg today after morning low of 64. Northwest Alabama Regional and Muscle Shoals got to 81 this afternoon after a morning low of 68. No rainfall recorded in either location. Again, there could be a passing shower tonight in either location, but chance of rain tonight's only 10 to 20%. Same for Wednesday and Thursday, but rain chances going up a good bit as we head closer to the end of the week and the weekend ahead. Here's Futurecast. It's probably actually a little more widespread than what reality will be tonight, but a passing shower, a thunder shower can't be ruled out overnight. I don't think it's going to be widespread as what you even see here. It does have the general idea correct, though, that the majority of the rain will stay off to the west of our viewing area, though. I think we're mainly dry, but we will keep the isolated shower, a thunder shower in the forecast, starting in the mid to upper 60s here with mostly cloudy skies for our Wednesday morning. That south wind continues, partly sunny tomorrow. Isolated shower possible at any time during the day, not just necessarily in the afternoon, but the chance of one is only 10 to 20%. So no big rain chances here. Falling back through the 70s into the 60s tomorrow night as well, with partly to mostly cloudy skies in the front. Really doesn't go anywhere the next few days. It will stall out here across the Tennessee Valley, maybe a stray shower Thursday. Rain chances start increasing though beginning Friday afternoon and Friday night as deeper moisture from the Gulf pulls northward. That may be some locally heavy rain Friday night into Saturday, maybe even stretching into Sunday. We may have to evaluate that. Forecast data this afternoon stretching things into Sunday. I haven't upped the rain chances too much for Sunday yet. We're waiting to see how consistent that data is, so we may be doing that by the updates tomorrow. Part of that is because of what will be the remnants of Raphael making landfall on the Gulf Coast, but as we're about to talk about here in a minute, that will not be a big hurricane hit. That system will rapidly weaken as it approaches the Gulf Coast. We'll talk about the tropics here in just a moment. Warm, honestly, above average for the next 7 days, even when we get some slightly rain-cooled and cloud-cooled air over the weekend with the lower 70s, but we're near 80 here for the next couple of afternoons as we head through the middle and latter part of the week. Here's the tropics as we see it this afternoon. Tropical storm Raphael knocking on the door of becoming a hurricane. It's not overperforming expectation. We've expected this, so it's following the forecast closely compared to what we expected. It will be crossing western Cuba as a hurricane, moving into the southern Gulf as a minimal hurricane as well, and then rapidly weaken. We'll show you the track update here. Maximum sustained winds as of the afternoon advisory, 70 miles per hour. So knocking on the door, becoming a hurricane. And by the time you see this, it may already have become a hurricane. Moving northwest at 15 miles per hour toward western Cuba. Will become a hurricane tonight. Not a big hurricane. We're talking about category 1 to maybe low end category 2. Approaching Cuba, yes, in the south central Gulf. It will still maintain some hurricane intensity. But once it gets into the northern half of the Gulf of Mexico, it moves out of the water temperatures that are still in the 80s into the water temperatures that drop to the mid 70s, closer to the coastal shelf. It also encounters drier air, and it also encounters some really strong wind shear. Put all three of those together, in addition to probably what will be some inner core disruption as it crosses Cuba, and you will have a rapidly weakening system as it approaches the Louisiana coastline going from late Saturday into Sunday. So we do not expect a big hurricane hit, but this may bring some beneficial moisture to the southeast. We're certainly watching that in the forecast ahead. Mostly cloudy skies and mild overnight, not getting out of the mid to upper 60s. And again, an isolated thunder shower possible overnight. Chance of that is only 20% at most for our immediate local area. Spotty shower Wednesday or Thursday. Better chances of rain starting Friday afternoon, Friday night into Saturday. And again, based on the latest data we're seeing, we may have to up those rain chances Sunday. We're waiting on consistency for that, so that would be updates that we would do tomorrow as we look at tomorrow's data. But know that chance of rain Sunday is trending upward as well. Maybe even a few lingering showers into Veterans Day on Monday. There's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.